Today, almost all of Europe works together to ensure a secure supply of electricity. The European interconnected grid covers more than 30 countries. Large volumes of electrical energy are transported via the shared grid. The Swiss transmission system, which is located in the heart of Europe, is an integral part of this grid. To ensure that the entire European system functions smoothly, national transmission system operators like Swissgrid monitor it around the clock. The European interconnected grid has its origins in Switzerland. In 1958, the German, French and Swiss grids were interconnected for the first time in the Frick Valley in Aargau. The European grid was born thanks to the switchgear known as the Star of Laufenburg.
Heute wurden in der Schaltanlage Laufenburg die bereits in der Bundesrepublik Deutschland, in Frankreich und in der Schweiz bestehenden 380 Kilovolt-Anlagen zusammengeschaltet und der Parallelbetrieb auf der Höchstspannungsebene verwirklicht. Damit sind 3 Ziele erreicht: Erhöhung der Sicherheit unserer Stromversorgung, optimaler Einsatz unserer Energiequellen und die Möglichkeit, unsere Reserven an Leistung und Energie kleiner zu halten, als dies bei einem nationalen Inselbetrieb zulässig wäre.
The Star of Laufenburg is regarded as a milestone in the history of electricity. The coordination of electricity flows across Europe became necessary after the Second World War. There was explosive growth in electricity consumption, resulting in recurring supply shortages and grid stability problems. Today, the European interconnected grid guarantees a stable and secure supply of electricity for over 530 million consumers in Europe. Cross-border electricity exchange makes it possible to overcome power shortages in individual countries, for example in the winter months. Likewise, power plant failures can be compensated for, thanks to international cooperation. Today, Switzerland is closely networked with neighboring countries via 41 lines, and the country plays an important role in the European grid. On the one hand, the hydropower plants in the Swiss Alps act as an important energy store for the whole of Europe. This allows optimal use to be made of new, renewable sources of energy. On the other hand, as a member of INTSOE, the European network of transmission system operators, Swissgrid makes an important contribution to keeping the European grid balanced. The ultimate goal is always to secure the supply of electricity, and not just for Switzerland. Close cooperation with its European partners is crucial to enable Swissgrid to fulfill its legal mandate. Swissgrid represents Swiss interests in national and international bodies in order to ensure smooth cooperation with its European partners in the future.